friend, welcome back. In this video, let's add a slider to control the change, the difference of the location of this box, okay, the top box. But before that, okay, I want to change the background color because I don't like it. Maybe maybe yellow is better. Let's see this guy, click this guy, the fifth one, background color. Let's use a yellow one here. Okay, run it to see if it's better. I like this one, but at the same time let's change the color of the rope to red here is red. Is it better? Yes. Can we make it thicker, like rope dot line width equals 2? What about this one? Cool. Now the rope, the connection between the two boxes, right, pops up. Nice. Now let's go back there to main storyboard to add the slider. Yeah. So the plan is we'll use the slider, right? For example, starting from negative 100 to like 300, and the initial value is 0, so 0 means no change, right? So click here to grab a slider, yeah, this guy, and drag and drop here to meet the blue guideline, like that. Cool. And make it longer so we have more control. Okay, using 2 fingers to move that out, like that. Okay, keep adjust this guy to meet the guideline. Okay, now by default is from 0 to 1, and the initial value is 0.25. okay, so let's change this to 300, and this one negative 100, and initial value 0, like that. Enter. Yeah, 0 here 0, negative 100, 300. So it means initially is right, the delta, the change of its position, right, the difference from its initial x is 0. Then if we move to the negative value, it will go to the left. That's the plan. Okay, so now after that we need to control drag this guy into view controller. So let's bring up the view controller, hold on option key, click view controller here. Yeah, it's there. Now you see it's already selected, so let's hold on control key, right, to control drag this guy to here. Yeah, this will be an action. If not, you can select, right, option or action, sorry, name like slide. Okay, that's a good name. Type, yeah, UI slider. Yeah, if you, for example, if you forget, right, okay, now yeah, it's any here. Say if you forget that and connect, it will be any here. In this case, you can manually change it to UI slider. Yeah, and we still need a variable to represent this view. We'll create a variable here to represent our what view? Pulley view. Okay, so hold on control key. Yeah, select that. You see, select the view, hold on control key, control drag to here, you see this time it's outlet, it's not action. Yeah, because it will be a variable here, name. The name, it should be something like a noun. So yeah, pulley view is a good name. Be careful, don't use capitalized P. This is the data type. Here is the object name, an object of the data type pulley view. Okay, connect. So now this guy represents the yellow view on the screen, and this slider represents the action whenever we drag the slider when the app is running. Okay, so now what we can do is, so we'll skip the investigation about like how the parameter sender will report the value of the slider. We'll skip that. If you are interested, you can watch the previous videos about that. So now we'll create, okay, so we don't need this one now. Let's go back to pulley view to add a global variable here, var like delta x of delta x of the top of this guy. So yeah, if we like, we can say delta x. Let's just use that. Okay, data type CG float, value 0. Yeah, so now we can control this guy here. How it's like pulley view dot delta x, right? Like that equals sender dot value. Yeah. Okay, so because the data type of this guy is float instead of CG float, they are similar, but since Xcode complains about that, right? So we can use the auto fix here. Click that guy, replace this value with you will be casted, right? It will be cast to CG float like that. Fix. Okay, done. So basically, yeah, they are similar data type. CG float for that one, float for sender dot value. Now they are same after the conversion. Okay, now how do we use that one to control our box? So here you see, where is the okay, the box here. So you see the top one here, right? We can add delta here, delta x here. Okay, now let's see, run it. Drag. No, nothing happened. We missed one step, right? Remember, we didn't trigger the repaint of the screen after we changed the value. So easy, just add the pulley view dot set needs display. Okay, now run it. You see, very good, right? Very good. But we need to adjust the other part, right? The rope and here, and the other load here. Okay, so let's do it one by one. Rope, move to. Okay, so is it this end, right? Plus delta, the change of the position. Run it. Yeah, you see, this end of the red rope, right, sticks to the box. Okay, now this part, you will go to the same distance, right, down this end of the rope. Okay, so now it's Y, this guy plus delta. You see, so that's the power of the delta x, right? we didn't define the like absolute location of the top box. We defined the delta. This is much more flexible. Okay, now run it. Oh, that's the box. Okay, is okay. Sorry, I thought it was this end of the rope, but anyway, we want to do that. Okay, now where is the rope? Okay, here rope arc. Yeah, it's this end. This is this end. Same thing, easy delta. Now ta-da! Enjoy. Okay, enjoy. Okay, like that. Oh, what happened? Okay, cool, right? Is it cool? Okay, let's stay here. That's it for today. See you next time, friends. Thank you for watching.